Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I will be showing you how to get better quality videos on YouTube. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to get better quality video on YouTube, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in youtube.com like this and hit enter. And you will find all your subscribed as well as recommended for your videos over here. Let's see this one by Marvel itself. Now to get a better quality of this video from YouTube, you can see the settings icon over here on the video interface or the video player of the YouTube. Click on settings, and after that you can see the quality option available over here. Click on quality and choose which one of the highest quality your device supports or you want. For me it will be 1080 pixel by 60, and the video will take some time to load. Okay, let's mute this and let's play it, and you can see the video is playing in 4K itself. And let's close this. And there guys, this is how you get a better video quality on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.